What's the meaning of Christmas cracker? Christmas cracker. Christmas cracker.
Christmas cracker. Christmas cracker. A Christmas cracker is a festive paper tube filled with small treats such as toys, jokes and hats. These crackers are typically pulled apart by two people, each holding onto one end of the cracker. When pulled, the cracker produces a popping sound caused by a friction-activated chemical strip inside. The person left with the larger part of the cracker gets to keep the gifts inside. The tradition of Christmas crackers dates back to the mid-1800s in England and remains popular throughout the world as a fun and festive holiday tradition.